Here we got ourselves a S-bar glycol heater. This is the heating system that they had on this van here. This is a great option. This will heat up glycol utilizing the diesel fuel or gasoline fuel, whatever your vehicle has. And that glycol can get dispersed throughout the van into a heat exchanger to blow hot air, to heat water, whatever requires heat. There's a couple different options that we have for heaters. We have the glycol heaters, the S-bar Airtronic heaters. We've installed propane heaters. There's benefits to each. Propane's very accessible. It's a lot easier to install. A lot of people work with propane. The benefits of the Airtronic and the glycol heaters is you can just tap straight into your fuel tank. You can use gasoline, diesel. Super convenient, a little more expensive than a propane heater. You know, each have their perks. So another benefit of the glycol heater is you can actually mount it outside your vehicle. So this one was mounted just behind the rear axle here underneath the van. It's kind of nice because they're dirty, stinky heaters and keep it outside your van, and also gives you more room inside to utilize that space for something else. The Airtronics, those have to be mounted inside, usually in the passenger seat base or inside a cabinet. Pretty small, compact heaters, but still takes up space. So propane heaters have their benefits as well. Like I said, propane's really easy to come by these days. Just go fill up real quick. That can run, you know, off one tank for your stove, your heater, all different appliances. Propane heaters are a lot less efficient than these, and it can be a little annoying to have to go grab propane on a cold day. So here at Reparadise, we work with heaters all the time. We're actually a certified S-bar installer. We can also install propane heaters, electric heaters, whatever you really desire.